Now when this outside tap was installed, a 25mm hole has been drilled in through the wall, a 22mm pipe has been pushed through and connected, but there still is a little air gap around there, only of a couple of millimeters, and the brickwork's broken away. So this is a perfect example of where you can get your GP right the way in, the nozzle right in behind the tap there, and squeeze. What I want to do is obviously fill that gap around the pipe to make it airtight, because any cold air outside here of course is going to be traveling through to the other side inside the building. Of course, when you're going against brickwork like this, especially with copper fittings, you'd only want to use the clear. Take one of those silicone wipes and just make that a little bit neater around. And of course it does make it waterproof as well, because if you had some rainwater coming down here, there is always a chance of that weeping its way in through them little gaps. That for me now is sealed.